Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is only a friend alert. In that, if you find a silver fidget spinner that you saw yesterday, Mason, Braxton, or Jacoby, if you see it in any of my videos, come to my house and tell me, because this is an emergency alert. I cannot find it. I've been looking since you guys left, so tell me where it is and come to my house immediately.